Hello beautiful, it's Makeup by Ani here. It's been a while, I haven't posted anything here, but I'm back. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my Instagram, Makeup by Ani. And thumbs up, comment below. Let's get started. Glitter sexy eyeliner look. So I already applied my eyeshadow base, which is MAC Soft Ochre. That's all-time favorite thing. Next, I'm defining my crease with Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm gonna use it all the way till the end. And I am kind of doing a cut crease with my eyeshadow base, again using MAC Soft Ochre. And applying like a neutral matte color into my lid. Taking this beautiful burgundy color again from Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm kind of doing like an eyeliner look here, but with an eyeshadow. And next I'm taking my Stila metallic shadows and I'm applying only on a center. And next I'm taking my Inglot Duraline and mixing with my eyeliner, very dry. So I'm doing my beautiful eyeliner here. So don't be afraid going a little messy because we're going to apply an eyeliner, a glitter eyeliner on top of it. Next, I'm taking my Urban Decay all-time favorite glitter and applying from inner corner to outer corner as an eyeliner on top of my black eyeliner. Next, I'm taking my Fluttert Lashes Intoxicating eyelashes. I'm applying a little bit lip pencil, like a burgundy lip pencil inside of my waterline, and applying some individuals. Also, I like to highlight my inner corner. Again, it will give me a bigger eyes. Hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful tutorial. Thumbs up, comment. Thank you for watching.